Hi folks, this is our fourth and probably last little video looking at compound interest. So far, all of the questions we've done have been looking at time periods of years. And our interest is being measured in percentage per annum, which is abbreviated just to PA, and it means per year for each year. You can sometimes get questions where you're going to be asked to calculate the interest on a monthly basis or sometimes a quarterly basis. A really common question is to ask you to compare yearly and monthly and see which one provides the best advantage. Now, when we do this, we're going to use exactly the same formula that we've had before, but we're going to alter the rate here and the time period. So I'll explain. Now, let's say that we are looking at $1,000 at 4% per annum for 5 years. And we're going to calculate it yearly, quarterly, and monthly compounding of interest. Start off with yearly. We should be really good at this by now. We write everything out, we calculate it, and we find that we've made $216.65 in interest there. Now, when we are going to do it quarterly, what we're going to do is change our interest rate and our number of time periods. Now, we did have 0.04 because it was 4% per annum. It was per annum. But now we are doing it quarterly. Instead of doing it once in a year, we are going to calculate it 4 times in a year. So our rate now is going to be divided by 4. So that's why I've put a little divided sign up here. So our new rate is now 0.01. Our time periods, though, have also changed. Before we had 5 years. Now we've got 5 years and each year has got 4 quarters. So now we're going to have 20 for our time periods. So now when we put out these into our formula, we're going to have a new value in here and a new value in here. We still work it all out the same. So we still do our calculation the same. And now we make $220.19. So what we can see is that we've made about $4 more over our 5 years. And the reason for that is because we are calculating our interest earlier in the year and then compounding on that. Now, if we were going to do it monthly, we're going to do it the same way, except now, instead of dividing our interest rate by 4, because we have 4 quarters, we're going to divide it by 12 because we have 12 months in a year. So that gives us 0.0033. And that actually goes on forever. Our time periods are going to be 5 years and then 12 months in each year, which gives us 60 time periods. So now when we fill everything into our equation, we've got these new values in here. We've got 0.0033 here and a 60 up here. And that means that now, at the end of our 5 years, we've made $220.99. So we've made about 80 cents more than if we had calculated our interest quarterly. Generally, the smaller the time periods and the more of them you have, the more interest you will end up with. Because those tiny little bits that, for example, we are gaining each month are going to then have interest compounded on them. Okay, thank you very much.